So we have roasted pork shank, pickled mustard greens, steamed okra. These are salted eggs, um, steamed tomato, and let's move pork. These are actually milkfish. They're filleted and they're marinated in vinegar and other spices with the scale on and the head, everything. Kind of burnt them. Same thing with my fried eggplants. I burnt them too. And this is a steamed um, bitter melon. What's going on with my camera? Well, sorry for the interruption. And this is lechon kawali. Crunchy. So when you're served tomato at Kamayan or a Boodle fight, you don't eat the tomato by itself. You're actually going to, well, this is all juicy. So you're going to mash it. And you mash the salted egg in there also. It's real juicy. And this is cauli rice. So I'm trying to stay low carb. So you mash it up like this, and so it becomes your dip. And you'll also probably be served this stuff, shrimp paste. But I don't need the shrimp paste because that's another, I guess, to salt things, salt food. But I'm using the egg to salt it. And you don't eat the pulp and the seeds. You don't eat the pulp and the seeds, but this one doesn't really have any. So let's start. It's really pretty mild. Scoop. So you dip into your dip. Same thing with the pickled mustard. So you grab the fish. This is supposed to be boneless. So as you can see, there's the dip and the fish. So pretty easy. Suck at this. I keep watching myself in the monitor. Yum. Eggplant. Big bite.
He's also convinced that the labs, including the one at the FBI, didn't follow protocol when they tested his DNA against the evidence from the crime scene.
There's definitely evidence that suggests that they mixed up samples.
I think the hardest part to wrap your head around is that there could be contamination on both the blood and the hair.
Right. I can understand why you would feel that way, and maybe that goes to explaining what the police might have done with the evidence. We don't know. If I do, I wouldn't think it.
It just seems a little far-fetched that the police would randomly pluck you out of obscurity years later and decide to bring you.
I understand it, and I've thought about this for years, and it happens. Police do prank people. We see it all the time.
Police have framed you in two separate central incidents. See how that
I can see how
looks very far-fetched.
very far-fetched, yes, I can understand that.
The detective in this case says that he is 1,000% certain he has the right person.
He's wrong. He does not have the right person.
So who did that?
If I knew, I wouldn't be here now. I wish I knew.
Yet the people who arrested and prosecuted Denny insist two independent labs did follow protocol, linking his DNA to evidence from the crime scene. Still, Denny is hoping a recent post-conviction motion, arguing in part that the DNA testing was flawed, will result in a new trial. His family and supporters are even blogging about his case. That infuriates Ford's friends. I hope he rots in hell. I hate Denny. As for Tiffany's Yenta, she says it took a long time to get over what he and the police did to her. How did you drank more? Tried to lose who I was. Tried to change who I was. Didn't like myself very much. Stayed with me a lot of the fact that Lady Latin has also struggled with the past. I go to that day, why did you invite her to Thanksgiving with me? Maybe she would have gone. So even to this day, there's a lot of guilt with that. But there's also
I didn't grab the water.
to investigators who never gave up. To three strangers on a dock playing armchair detective